Hello everyone, my name is Anshu Khare and today I am going to tell you about MATLAB software. In this software, using Simscape toolbox, how we can design a model of inverting amplifier. So today's topic is inverting amplifier with the help of MATLAB. So the tools which we require for designing this inverting amplifier is, first of all, we have to use the op-amp, that is operational amplifier. Okay, so we will take operational amplifier from the library browser and drag it here. Okay, like this. After that we will take resistance. Okay, so we will take resistance, and since it is a inverting amplifier, that's why we will connect the negative terminal of this, like we will flip this block. Okay, flip this block up and down. So here, as you can see, terminals are shown, negative and positive terminal. Okay, so positive terminal will be connected to the ground and negative resistance will be connected to the negative terminal. Okay, again we create a copy of the resistance for connecting it in the feedback part. Okay, so before connecting, we will take a voltage source. So we will go to the electrical sources and then take the AC voltage source. Okay, like this. Then we connect this AC voltage source to the resistance. Okay, and again we take resistance and connect it here in the feedback path. We connect the resistance in the feedback path. Okay, for this we take a copy of a ground and connect it to the AC voltage source. Okay, and then we will take a solver configuration. Solver configuration is connected for solving this circuit, and it is connected between AC voltage source and the ground. Okay, in this we will provide the consistency tolerance as 1 and then apply and then click OK. After that, provide the value of resistance in this input side as 1 kilo ohm. We will change the unit as 1 kilo ohm, then apply and OK. And here we connect this resistance to the output of the op-amp, and then for sensing the voltage at input side and output side, we will take electrical sensor. Okay, go to electrical sensor and take voltage sensor. Okay, like this. And now I will flip this block and then click on left to right. So the block is flipped. Then one side of this voltage sensor will be connected to the output. Okay, output of the op-amp here, like this, and this point is connected to the electrical reference, like this, and this point is connected to the PS converter, PS to Simulink converter. We will search for PS to Simulink converter and place it here and connect this point to PS to Simulink converter. Okay, like this. And then again we will create a copy of voltage sensor for sensing the voltage at the input side. Then we will connect ground to this electrical reference to this block also, and then connect PS to Simulink converter like this. And after that we will connect this point of the voltage sensor to the input side of the voltage, like this. Okay, then we will convert these 2 points to the source for viewing our signal. Okay, so we will go to sync library, sync, and then we will take scope. Okay, for viewing the output of the signal. In this we have to connect the two outputs One is input signal and another is output signal. So double click on this scope and then go to settings and then provide the number of ports as 2 and provide also the layout. After that apply and then click OK. Then close this window. After that connect this like this and also connect like this. Okay, so here we have connected model configuration parameters and then go to all parameters. In this all parameters go to maximum step size and from auto change it to 0.1. After that OK and then run this model. You can see the result as like in this output. You can see I have applied the signal which starts from 0 to 1 and then go to -1, and in the output it has changed. It has been started from 0 then go to -1 and then peak 1. So the input signal is inverted. That is the work of inverting amplifier. That's all for today. Thank you.